Maharashtra Institute of Technology MIT University of Meghalaya Shillong haka sauterik yayong kelapan benar ban penlong yaka MIT Connect Shillong haka Rio Tarik St. Anthony's High Secondary School basketball court nadu kapor khatwe chiteng menstep hadu kapor lai baje janmit halor kapang entrepreneurship and sustainability. Habakran cikilal pathai Khubor u Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. D. Batacharji ulaong kani ko university ka khot sngo bha ya baro ban wan snap bat shimbanta hakate ka seminar ka ban ai shibun ki jingtep bat kilat kilenti ban tur shakmat hakikam ki jam hakajing em jangki ulaya thu ru ya ka MIT University la sedang haus nam 8000 khatwe bat la yo ka jing ithu khmat kum ka State University haus nam 8000 khat nyo da ka sarkar Meghalaya.
Myself, Dr. dbmnTv. I'm the Pro Vice Chancellor of MIT University of Meghalaya. My one wishes and welcome to all the media persons present here today. Today here we are discussing something about the journey of MIT University, about the MIT University. What kind of work we are going to do for the state student, though we are an educational institution. Sociology, BA in history, BA in Khasi, BA in English. But what we have done, which Albert was referring one step ahead, the UPSC syllabus as well as the MPSC syllabus, the total syllabus we have divided into 6 or 7 different segments. Each and every segments are added in each and every semester, so that as soon as student will complete their graduation, they are ready to crack the MPSC or the UPSC examination. So this is a new thought, because most of the students in our state, they are ready to crack the government service. They go for the government. They just want to go for the government service. They want to crack the MPSC. For that reason, there is a new thought we introduced here, that as soon as they will complete the graduation, they will have their graduation degree in hand, in one hand. In another hand, they are ready to crack the government examinations. So the syllabus framing, it was very hard to frame the syllabus in such a way so that the student will complete their graduation subject also, as well as they will complete all the subject which is related to UPSC as well as the MPSC also. Not only UPSC, MPSC, SSC also local students. And so if I start with the journey of MIT, as the Act passed in 2017 and we established this university in 2017, MIT was the academic partner of this university since the beginning. And in 2017, MIT decided to take this university control fully. So in 2017 and 18, with the State Government Act, again one more act was passed by the State Government Education Department as well as the Law Department. And the university earlier name was changed, and currently we are known as the MIT University of Meghalaya. After establishing this university, our first motto to establish our own campus, because we believe that without having our own campus, we are not able to give proper justice to the student. Unless and until we give proper lab facility to the student, proper library facility to the student, proper giving facilities to the student. Student life requires all these things. So our first motto was to establish our own campus. We were struggling a lot. Then with the help of the government, with the help of the local people, with the help of the local authority, we were able to crack the deal in 2020. We purchased the land on university name and registered the land on university name in 2021, 4th April. And it's a very good news. And I can say this is a coincidence that our act passed on 4th April and our land registered on the same date, 4th April. It was 11 and 2021. So we have our own land currently in New Shillong area, and after having our own land, registered land on university name, we started building our own campus, our own permanent campus, our presence in Shillong. Because we have seen the trend here, if we operate our university from a single building or from a small campus, people don't have that much of belief or faith on us. So as soon as we started our own campus, our establishment, our presence in Shillong, people start believing us, and in government also they are giving priority to MIT University, and now we are in a good shape, and hopefully within next 2 months we are going to shift to our new campus. The first phase of the campus is almost ready, almost 85% to 90%, 90% campus is ready. So, and the 10% will be done within next 2 months, hopefully. So as soon as the campus will be ready, first phase, we are going to shift to our new campus. Initially, on the first phase, the MIT University invested almost 100 CR for the betterment of the education of this state, the technical education, the professional education, like I say. We are about to have our second phase as well as the third phase also, and we are trying to expand our campus also in near future. We received enormous help from the local people. I must thank to the local authorities like local Darbar, the Ramba of that area where we are establishing our campus, the General Secretary of that area. Then from the government, each and every department, starting from the revenue, law, education department, each and every department, they already stretched their helping hand to us to get our land on our name, to establish the campus here in Shillong.
I represent the Admissions Marketing Department. The reason we have come here, there are two reasons. We're here firstly to talk about MIT University overall, and I believe Sir explained quite in detail about MIT University. Just to add on what Sir said, we are here to gather the students, not only for the students in Meghalaya, we are here also to gather the students across Northeast. And MIT here has come for a purpose. MIT here has come with a project or a vision of sustainability concept learning in Northeast, where MIT has found that Northeast as a region and Shillong as a region has more practice on sustainability. That's one of the reasons also we have come to MIT to Shillong to set up the campus. And like Sir said that we are due to open our own campus, which is there in Mount Khubor, and we also very soon will host the opening or launch the opening of our campus. And to the other reason, we are here also to announce here that we are organizing MIT Connect Shillong event, that also on a topic of entrepreneurship and sustainability. That will be held on 6th of April 2024 and at 11:30 on 11:30 onwards. And we also currently inviting all the media team to witness the event. This will be a discussion not only from the team member from MIT University, but also from government officials from different departments that will be coming here to witness and also talk about the sustainability and entrepreneurship. Like Sir said regarding the courses at the moment, MIT has known to be one of the premium institute, and we are here to cater to students to specialize themselves in professional learning. We're here in School of Design, which is in B Design, in different fields such as animation and game design, fashion design, smart product design, and also we have other courses in non-design courses such as School of Management in BBA and MBA, which has different specialization again, such as the human resources, marketing, banking, finance, and hospitality, travel, and tourism. Apart from that, we also run conventional courses, which is one step ahead, where we thought that most of the students are facing a lot of challenges in cracking a lot of other competitive examination. So what we have done is we are hosting, or we are offering BA course, not only a course for a degree, but a course to enhance the experience, or as give an enhanced experience to the student to have more exposure on competitive exams such as MPSC exams and UPSC exams. So this is all about the courses. So nothing much. We would like again invite each and every media team.